Hey, listen, I made a ring ligature while on a break for lunch, on my lunch break. A few simple tools, a wire stripper, some pliers, a wooden dowel that I don't happen to have. I left it outside. Anyhow, just wire, some wire scraps, thick copper wire. There's some electricians left in my driveway. They was putting in a fuse box for me. I got to go to work. I had to go back to work for my lunch break. Anyhow, I did a few different rings trying to make a perfect circle. I needed a ligature, but I didn't want to pay the price, those ridiculous prices. Just simple little piece of metal, So I did this one with the pliers, and the circle didn't come out right. It's too tight. And I did this one with some pliers, just bending it like that. I think I bent it around a metal pipe that I had, but the pipe was too narrow. And so I started, doing little experiments with different things, trying to get an accurate measurement. Then I used this loop right here to try to get that to go like that. But then the loop has this little bend in it right here, so I can't get an accurate measurement. So I took the straight part, cut the wire like that, and try to cut the wire. Cut the wire the same length as that piece, this length right here, and try to make the ends meet together, flush. But I needed a metal file, and a time and all that. Talking fast. Anyhow, I end up getting a straight piece of copper wire and bending it, and it's almost flush. I don't know if you can see that. See that? See, it's a cut in the top of the wire right there. It's almost flush. That's a gap in there. It's my Van Doren F6 S16 S Plus, something like that. V16 S Plus. I like the sound on it. I got another Van Doren Jumbo Java and a Jody Jazz Jet. I'm not, and they don't pay me no money, so just some. But I still end up liking this one for whatever reason. The size number 2 read. Anyhow, got a little simple copper ring on there, and this thing plays. I might refine and get a friend of mine to weld that shut. Get it. Do a few more prototypes of these. I'm gonna get some more scrap wire because I'm just about at. There's only a few little slips of that, and or some other type of metal. I don't know. Anyhow, it plays. Yeah, it plays. I'm very happy with this. I made another video. It was kind of long, and I had to get back to work. I just wanted to redo the video. It's a little copper ring. It plays. They sell these for $80 for a ring ligature. $80 for a loop of metal. It's not precious metal. So why are you charging me $80 for it? Nah, not me. All right, like this video and share it. Like this video and share it. All right, peace. I gotta go.